Assalamualaikum and good morning to my lovely dear students. I am Aisha and I am your maths teacher. So my dear students, I hope you are happy and smiling. So let's start our maths lesson. And what is the thing that comes to your mind when I say the word maths? Can you tell me? Yes, the only thing, the main thing which comes into our mind when we say maths is the numbers. Although math has so many different concepts, but the very basic thing which make up maths is numbers, a group of numbers. So today we are going to do the very first number, the first number of counting. Yes, and can you tell me which number is that? Yes, I know you can do it. You can tell me. Yes, it's the number 1. Number 1. So here is number 1. You can see on your screens. Wow, what a lovely number it is. And can you see it is so easy. The formation of number 1 is so easy and so basic because it's just one standing line from top to bottom. Can you see it right here in front of you? So it is 1, and this is how you can write 1. So whenever, my dear students, I'm going to tell you the formation of something, any number, you are going to practice it with me using the technique of air writing. So you are going to use your fingers and you are going to practice the formation with me. So here is the number 1. From this starting point, you will come down straight and then you can make a lovely straight number 1. Can you see one ball here? Because we are doing our first number, which is number 1. So here we have one ball. So this is the number 1. This is the little introduction of number 1. Now we are going to look at our book. That what is on our book to show and to practice the number 1. So this is our book's page. Wow, lovely. Can you see this page? What is on it? Firstly, it is saying trace with fingertip. Do you know what is your fingertip? Yes, the first part of your finger, the tip of your finger. So you will use your tip and you will practice this number 1 on this dotted line. Then there is a little question over here. Can you show me one finger? So you can take out your one finger because we are doing number 1. Okay, what else is there on this page? Can you see that? Yes, there is one boy. One boy. And can anybody tell me what this boy is doing? Yes, he's a very good boy. He is reading a book. So one boy is here because we are doing counting number 1. So my dear kids, with every number, we are going to do some questions. There is an activity page with every number. And there is written over here, applying and writing. Whatever number we learn, we should also learn how to apply and how to write it. And the very basic thing is, the first question of every number, practice tracing the given number using a pencil. So here you are going to trace the number 1 a lot many times so that you should learn the exact formation. So in the first question you are going to trace the number 1. The second question says color the car. I can see a very good car here. So you can show your creativity by coloring this car very nicely. Then the last one is color all the ones. So you have to color the ones which are in this question. You just have to color them. So my dear kids, this is the lesson of number 1, and I hope you know how to write it and how to count up till 1, because only one thing is needed here, because we have done the counting number 1, the first number from which we start the counting. So my dear students, this is our today's lesson. I hope you understood that, and I hope you are going to practice the number 1 as well. So I am going to meet you again with another lesson and another number. Until then, take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.